Hi, welcome to day 19. And today we will be doing 65 Namaskars. Can doing Namaskars half asleep count? I think so. Let's get started. Om Dhyayam Sada Savitra Mandala Madhyavarti Narayana Sarasija Sanasannivishta Keyurvana Makara Kundalavana Kiriti Harihiranyame Vapratita Shankh Chakra. First one. Om Ram Mitraya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm feeling sleepy. 6, 7, 8, 9. My God, when will this end? 10, 11, 12. Last Namaskar, Purna Mantra. Om Ram Reem Room Rai Rauraham Mitra Ravi Surya Bhanu Khaga Pushana Hiranya Garbha Marichiyaditya Savitra Arka Bhaskarebhyo Namo Namaha. 65th Namaskar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gratitude. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You did 65 namaskars. Pat yourself on your back. Today I was feeling so sleepy in the morning. I just did not want to do the exercises and I didn't want to start so early. But then, when you do it in spite of feeling sleepy, you feel good now. Do I feel sleepy now? Do I look sleepy now? Chippy, Chippy, I've introduced you to her. She's that lizard brain who says, go to sleep. Why you want to do all these things? She's like that uncle of yours, old uncle, who'll tell you all this when you want to do something creative, something different. Will say, no, 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 no. All this will not work. Do engineering. That only works. And then when you do it in spite of that and come up trumps, then the same person says, I knew you could do it. Yeah, I knew it. Very good, very good. Chippy is just like that. Will tell you, don't do, go to sleep, eat. And then when you do it in spite of that, in the end, will slowly applaud. So that's what I feel now. Sleepy in the morning, but did it anyway. Now I'm feeling okay, I did it. Thank you for watching. Namaste.